Hello everyone, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome to another video for our weekly live trading room results. This week the market was a drag, no movement, ranges, I don't know, market is really slow, but that gave us some opportunities to apply some strategies that we don't use it often. That means ranges and bounce ranging and this kind of stuff. So we had USD CAD that also was in a range. You can see on higher settings, multiple tops, multiple bottoms. Price was really slow, and we said, okay, going long, it will be going for higher settings retracement against the main trend. You can see here. But because price was really slow, we said why not do that. So here you can see on our range we had a reaction. We had a reaction here. We have a trend line break, a crossover, lower high. Besides, we said it's a range with an entry from here like 18 plus some spread, 20 pips of an APO. Price moved all the way, how big is that, like 100, 110. That means 5 times our APO, even more of course. We didn't do only 100 pips. Incremental profits at support area, you know already how to do that. But then we could do the same thing on the opposite side. Then we had a trend line break, a crossover, and a very powerful 1, 2, 3. And you can see with an entry again like 20 pips, price is already 140 and still going. That means if price on higher settings decides to continue going long, we can target all the way up to the resistance area or this very powerful trend line. 240 pips short and long, 12 times our APO only on USD CAD. Let's continue on the GBP New Zealand dollar. Okay, again on GBP New Zealand dollar, you can see once more price was in kind of a range but on higher settings. And what happened, we had a very powerful retracement all the way to my previous support area, acting as resistance. This is the areas we try to find our best opportunities, the profit zone as we call it. And then a false breakout, a lower high, and then our retracement. Not that easy, but again with an APO of more or less like 50 pips, you can see price is already 160. 3 times our APO on GBP New Zealand dollar, but my target is going to be this area. That means I'm going for, with an APO of let's say 50 pips, but I'm going for 1000. I have nothing to lose. The only thing I have to do, as I always say every day on our live room, we have to stay in as long as possible. Next one is EURUSD. On EURUSD, we've been tracking and monitoring and trading EURUSD short for a long time now. We had several winning trades, but here on higher settings we saw price trying to retrace. Recently we've noticed also that EURUSD retrace a lot. So as an opportunity we took an entry again like 20-25 pips and price reached 100, 120, 4 times our APO, and again as a reaction on a major resistance area. We had again a trend line break, a crossover, and a nice opportunity to re-enter, going short with, that's again like 25 pips, already 3 times our APO. Besides, you can see on EURUSD we are already short from a previous week or a week after before that, and our last position is still running with 120 pips. But again, what we are going for is this area here, down. We are going for 700 pips, even more. Besides, you can see on M24 we even have an M24 confirmation. So everything is pointing short. We will analyze it anyway Monday morning with our top-down approach. So this week we had 560 pips, 22 times our APO, not bad in a slow dead market. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful, beautiful weekend. Stay safe and see you again on Monday morning. Cheers, everybody.